So now in this video I'm gonna guide you on how to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. So if you have been trying one or two ways to turn on Meta AI on Instagram, then this video is for you. Now first thing we need to do is we need to go to Play Store. Now if your app is not up to date, kindly update it. Then once you update it, click on open. Click on open. Then once you click on open, now head over to your settings, your Instagram settings, and scroll down a little bit. Now click on help, then click on report a problem. Then report problem without shaking. So report, okay. Now click on include, then type this: I am missing Meta AI in my account. Please, I need this to be fixed. Now once you write it, then click on send. Then wait for 1 or 2 to 3 business days. Then they will conclude what you asked for. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a like, and if you have any question, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you.